Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is direct and inverse proportions. And in that class we clear all the concepts related to both the topic like direct proportions and inverse proportions. Okay. Now in today's class we take and start a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is factorization. This is chapter number 14, factorization, which is very important chapter. So this is very important. This is very easy chapter, dear students. You know that already we do the factorization of some algebraic expressions. Okay. So now first of all, we take some important questions based on factorizations. Okay. So we do the factorizations of the given algebraic expressions by prime factorizations of the each terms of the algebraic factors. So now we take some important questions, and your question is factorize 12 a square b plus 15 ab square. Okay. So our question is factorize 12 a square b plus 15 ab square. 15 a b square. Okay. So look, dear friends, this is a very important question. So what is the method to solve that question? Let's see. So first of all we write given expression, means algebraic expression, given expression. This is 12 a square b plus 15 ab square. 15 ab square. Now first of all we do the prime factorization of each term. Thus first we take first term. We take first term 12 a square b. Now what I do? First we do their prime factorizations. So we can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. We can write in this way. A square write a into a into b write as it is. Okay. Similarly, here we take 12, 15 ab square and we do their prime factorization of constant term here. So we can write as 3 into 5 into a into b into b. So in this way, first of all, we do the factors of each term of the given algebraic expressions. Now we find what is the common factor here. The sum of the common factors here in both the terms. Okay. So look, 3 is the common factor in both the term. Okay, like 3 is here, 3 is also here. A is also the common factor of the given expressions and b is also common factors. Okay, so thus we can write therefore we can write 12 a square b plus 15 ab square we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b plus we can write this in this way 3 into 5 into a into b into b. We can write in this way. Now we take common terms. Now we take their common factors. The common factor 3 is the common factor, so we take 3 common out from both the terms, and a is also and 1k is also common and 1b is also common factor in both the terms. Now what is left in first term? So 3ab is taken out, so 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4 into a is left in first term, plus 3 into in second term 5b is left in second term, 5b is left. So this is the required factor form. So we can write also 3ab in bracket 4a plus 5b. This is the required factor form. This is the required factor form. Okay. So this is the very important question. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on factorizations. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on factorization of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now we take some other important question. Factorize factorize 10x square x square minus 18x2 plus 14x to the power 4 plus 14x to the power 4. This is the question here, and we do their factorizations. So first of all, we take each terms and do their prime. We find their prime factorizations. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, we have an expression. We have this is 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4. Thus, first we take the first term 10x square. So we write 10x square as 2 into 5 into x into x. Okay, we can write in this way. Similarly, we take the second part of this expression, which is 18x cube. We can write 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, into x into x. X is 3 times. We can write x into x into x, and we take 14x to the power 4. So we can write 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. So first of all, we do this operation of in each terms. Now, okay, thus the value of 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power is right. We can write as what? 2 into 5x into x minus 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x plus we can write as 2 into 7 into 1 x into x into x into x. So we put all the values in the given expressions. Now look, dear student, 2 is common out. 2 is common, 2 is the common factor, and 2x is also the common factors. So in this way we take 2 into x is a common, so we get what? 5 only here, 5 is left only. Okay, you can write 5 only here, and here minus 3 into 3 this is 9 into x. 1x is left in that part, that term, and plus 2 and 2x is take common, so 7 into x square. 7 into x square is there. So we get here friends 2x square in bracket 5 minus 9x plus 7x square. So this is the required solution of the given question. We can write this answer in this way also. This is 2x square, this is cosecant, so we can write also 7x square, this is minus 9x and plus 5 at last. We can write in this way also. This is also required solution. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on factorization in this way. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Factorize, take a question. Factorize 5x square y minus 15xy square. 15xy square. This is also very important question. Now let's see a solution. First, we take first part. This is we have first of all we have the question 5x square y minus 15xy square. Thus, first of all we take the first one 5. We take 5x square y. We can write 5 into x into x into y. We can write in this way. Similarly, dear students, similarly we take the 15xy square, so we can write 3 into 5 into x into y into y. 3 into 5 into x into y, we can write in this way. Thus, by expressions, thus 5x square y, the value of 5x square y minus 5xy square is equal to, we can write 5x square y in this way, 5 into x into y minus, this is 3 into 5 into x into y. Now look, what is the common factors here? So here look, 1 5 is common here, and 1 x is also common factor, and 1 y is also the common factor. So we take 5xy as common, so we get what? Here x minus here 3 into y minus 3y minus 3y. Thus the required solution is 5xy in bracket x minus 3y. So this is the required solution of the given. Thus, dear students, this is the method to factorize the given algebraic expressions. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Now take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay, let's see. take a very important questions. And your question is, factorize the following expressions. Factorize the following expressions. Okay. And the question, we take a some important question. Factorize the following expressions. And the first part of this question is what? Minus 16z plus 20z cube. Second one, 6p minus 12q. Next, third one is what? Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Fourth, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square plus 20c square. This is the question here. Okay. Now we take one by one and simplify them. First of all, we take the first part of this question, and we have minus 16z plus 20z cube. So first of all, what I do, dear friends, we do the prime factorization of each term of the given expressions. Each term of the given expressions. Okay. Now look, we can write minus 16 into z. We can write right as it is. 2 to the 16 into z. Okay. And now we can write 20z cube as 2 to the 4 5 the 20. 2 into 2 into 5 and z cube here. So we can write z into z. Okay. Thus, from question, this is minus 16 z plus 20 z cube is equal to minus the value minus 16 z is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z plus, okay, 20 z cube is what? 2 into 2 into 5 into z into z into z. Now look, what is the common factor in both the terms? Dear friends, here look, 2 into 2 is the common factors in both the terms, as well as 1z is also the common factors between these two terms. Okay, so we take what's common, we take 2 into 2 into z as common, so we get in that term, dear friends, in that term we get 2 to the 4, okay, and this is left in that term, and in second term we get plus, and this is minus 4, okay, this is here minus 4 is left now, yes, and plus here 2 into 5 into z means z square, 5 into z Z square is 11. Thus we get as 2 to the 4 into Z in bracket minus 4 plus 5 Z 5 Z square. This is the required factorization. Okay. In this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the second part of this question, which is what we have 16p minus 12q. So now look, we can write 6 as 6 into p, means, or we can write as 2 into 3 into p, and here we can write 2 3 is 12. We can write in this way also, and into 3 write as it is. Now from these two terms, what's common? We take the common factor as 2 3 only. So 2 into 3 take common, so we get p minus, this is 2 q, so we get as 3 to the 6 in bracket p minus 2q. So this is the required solution of the given question. Similarly, we take and solve next part of this question. Okay, let's see. We take and solve the third part of this question. We have as 4a square plus 4ab minus 4 ca minus 4 ca. Okay, now look, there are 3 terms in that algebraic expressions, so we take one by one and do their prime factorization. Look, so first we take minus minus 4a square, so we can write minus 2 into 2, only we take minus 4a square, so we get as 2 into 2 into a into a. Now we take the second term of this expression, which is 4ab, so 4 we can write 2 into 2, a into b write as it is. Now we take 4ca, so we can write 2 into 2 into c into a. Okay, dear students, so first of all we take each terms of the given algebraic expressions and we do their prime factorizations. Now from questions we have, that is, thus the value for a square plus 4ab minus 4ca is equal to, we can write the value of minus 4 minus write as it is, 4a square is, we can write 2 into 2 into a into a. Now plus write as it is, 4ab we can write 2 into 2 into a into b. Okay, now minus write as it is, 4ca we can write 2 into 2 into c into a. So first of all we arrange it in this way, Okay, now what I do, now Dear students, we take what's the common factors here. Now look, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is common in all three terms. Okay, and 1a here. This is 1a here, but 1a, yes, 1a is also common in each term. A is also common. So in this way we get as common 2 into 2 into a take as common, so we get minus a. This is minus a. Okay. Minus a plus, here b is left and here minus c is left. Here in third term c is left, so we get to the 4 into a in bracket minus a plus b minus c. So this is the required factorized form. In this way you do their factorization. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please listen, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. Now we take the last part of this question. So we have 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Now we take one by one each term and we get time factorial. So we get as, we write 10a square. So we can write as 2 into 5 into a into a. 2 into 5 into a into a. Now in second term, we take second term 5 into b square. So we can write 15 as 3 into 5 into b into b. So we can write the second term in this way also. And in third term we take 20 c square. So we write as 2 to the 5 to the 20. Okay, 2 into 2 into 5 into c square means c into c. So in this way we find the fact, we do factorize in of each term of the given expressions. Thus this is 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square, right? 10a square we can write 2 into 5 into a into a minus 15b square we can write 3 into 5 into b into b plus 20c square we can write 2 into 2 into 5 into c into c. Okay, now we take their common. Now look, 5 taken as common into no any other number is common from this present expression. So we get in bracket 1, this is 2 into a square minus 3 into b square, and here plus this is 2 to the 4 into c square, or we can write as 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, dear students. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on the factorizations. Okay, now thanks to all.